Hello, my name is Istiak and today we are going to create password generator. So to do this we need the programming language of which we are going to use Python. So without wasting any time, let's get started with it. We have to download Python by going to python.org. Then hover on download and there you can see python.version. Okay, by clicking that the download will be automatically started. I have the file already, so I'm gonna cancel it. Okay, now you need a code editor. To get a code, there is a variety of code editor. You can choose as you want, but believe me, JetBrains, Pycharm JetBrains is the best one. You can simply download it by going to jetbrains.com. I have given the link in the description. So I have the file already installed in my device, so let's skip it. After that, you're gonna have an interface like this. The same one, create a project. Let's name it password generator. Then tap on create. After that, it is gonna take 2 to 3 minutes to create the virtual environment. After that, you're gonna have an interface like this. At the left side, you're gonna see the sidebar where you can see the project. Just right click on the project and create a new file. We need a Python file, so let's tap on Python. Then name it as generator, then hit OK. That you can see the generator file have been created with extension of py for Python. Okay, then we need another file of text which is to do's. You don't need to create it. I'm gonna add for instruction. Then choose text and hit OK. Now we need a character list. Then let's say random choice system, and we also need a character password length. Okay, we're gonna ask password length from the user, so let's go. Okay, first of all, let's create a character list. For that, we're gonna add a variable named char for character. Okay, remember that char for character, CHR, and char is gonna include A to Z, smaller and bigger both, then 0 to 9, and special characters. So where are you gonna find it? I have made a table for this. Go to my blog SpyCoding.freesite.vip. I have given a direct link in the description. Okay, go to SpyCoding.freesite.vip. Then you can find the blog. Go there and go all the way down. Then you find the table. Okay, this table you have to copy it. The next line I have given it as a string. Okay, just copy it and paste it on your let's say code editor. After that, paste it on the main folder inside char variable. Okay, so let's add right click and paste it. Okay, we also need A to Z, smaller and bigger both, and then 0 to 9. Okay, we have just added it. Now when it's done, now we need a random choice system. We have to import random module. Okay, so let's import random module, import random, which includes a function of random choice. Now we need a length which we are going to ask from the user. Let's input password length. Okay, now we're going to print it. We're going to test it. Okay, so let's test it. So which file we're going to run? Just right click here and go all the way down and click on run generator, the run file name. Okay, if we type the password link, you can see it has been printed below. Okay, it's working till now. Now we need a variable where the result will be put. You can name as to one, but I'm gonna name it output. It's a pivot name. Okay, mark it as empty string. Then we're going to create the generator. A for loop, a for password in range of length. That means until the length has been finished, where it's gonna be doing over and over. But remember, it will show an error because length is in text, not an integer or number. So we're gonna convert it. Length equals to int function of length. Okay, now we can do random choice dot chars. Now we're gonna include it to the output as the result. Okay, let's print the result output. Okay, so let's test it by here clicking there. You can run it. Okay, let's type 5 and you can see the 5 length character has been. Okay, we add a big sentence. Okay, so you can see the password generator has been done. It's done actually. Okay, so but the thing is the length. Okay, here we have to do the last step, which is validation. You can see the maximum char of the character is 127 and minimum char is 10. It can be used. Okay, let's get the validation.
Sleepless nights I laid awake just begging to showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity